feel like I'm definitely gonna like either offend some people or gross some people out, so if you don't want to talk about poop, keep scrolling. And don't say I didn't warn you. Your poop gives you great insight of what's happening inside of your body and how you're absorbing your nutrients, if you're absorbing them, if at all. Because if you're not absorbing your nutrients, you're not able to make hormones, you're not able to make neurotransmitters, you don't have energy because you're getting the energy from your food that you're eating and that your body's breaking down. Especially because I work with patients who are experiencing issues with their gut health and their digestion, I always ask about their poop. So I'm gonna ask you, number 1, have you pooped today? When was the last time you pooped? Do you go every day or do you only go a few times a week? Number 2, does your poop float or does it sink down to the bottom of the bowl? 3, do you notice any undigested food in your poop? There are some foods that our body doesn't break down, so if you see things like corn in your stool, then that's normal. But if you look at your poop and you're actually recognizing some of the foods that you ate that day and it's in the toilet, then that's something you want to investigate. Is your poop well formed or is it loose and more kind of like diarrhea? Are you straining at all or just feeling like you really gotta push it out? And another common question I ask is, does your poop have a really bad smell? Yes, poop smells, but sometimes your poop can have a really distinct, bad, foul-smelling odor, and you know what I'm talking about if you experience it. If you don't know the answers to some of these questions, that's okay. Just start to take note of your pooping habits. And if you're experiencing other symptoms like heartburn, bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, then it's definitely time to take a deep dive into investigating what's going on in your gut. And if you made it this far, I hope you're not grossed out. But these things are important to talk about, especially if you're suffering with issues with digestion. I warned you. And if you're ready to investigate what's going on in your gut, visit the link in my bio to schedule an online consultation.